The Apple Watch is often treated as the default smartwatch, but in reality it only makes sense for a very specific type of user. In today's video, I'll break down who the Apple Watch is actually for and who should probably skip it, based on real usage, limitations, and trade-offs most people don't even think about. The Apple Watch is designed first and foremost as an extension of the iPhone. It relies heavily on Apple's ecosystem, iOS, iCloud, Apple Health, and Apple's app integrations. While it's marketed as a general smartwatch, its real strength is convenience and integration. If you're already using an iPhone, AirPods, iCloud, or most anything within the ecosystem, the Apple Watch fits naturally. Features like seamless notifications, quick replies, Apple Pay, and device handoff work reliably because Apple controls both the hardware and software. Apple puts a strong emphasis on health features, heart rate monitoring, ECG, blood oxygen tracking on supported Apple Watch models, fall detection, and activity tracking. For users who want reminders to move, stand, or track workouts casually, the Apple Watch is easy to use and doesn't require much setup, although this also means that the Apple Watch doesn't offer deep customization, but that's intentional. Most users can take it out of the box, pair it with an iPhone, and never think about settings again. If you value reliability over tinkering, that's a plus. Now that we've talked about who benefits the most from these watches, let's talk about who should skip it. Now this one is simple. The Apple Watch does not work with Android phones at all. If you're on Android, this isn't even a consideration. The watch also isn't compatible with people who care deeply about battery life. Most Apple Watch models last around 18 hours, which usually means charging every day. If you dislike daily charging or want multi-day battery life, this alone can be a deal breaker. Users who just want basic notifications. I know there's a lot of you out there. If your main goal is to just see notifications or check the time, the Apple Watch may be overkill. There are significantly cheaper options that handle notifications without the ecosystem lock-in or daily charging. Now, don't get me wrong, the Apple Watch isn't a bad product, but it's just not one that's for everybody. It makes the most sense if you're already an iPhone user who values convenience, health tracking, and seamless integration. If battery life flexibility or platform independence matter more to you, there are better and cheaper alternatives. So, if this breakdown helped you make a clear decision this holiday season, consider subscribing to the channel for practical tech advice without the hype or bias. I'll see you in the next one.